And another student says, this is quite interesting. I bought a mini clock to further get an accurate detail about the time spent on various activities. It's very helpful, sir, noting down daily time spent. You might wonder, like it might take more time for you to fill in the reports. It takes hardly 5 to 10 minutes, believe me. Hi, Improved Compliance Program. So as I mentioned in one of the previous videos, we have launched this program last week and we have done a pilot study, and here are the results for you. So I'll not say whether the results are good or bad, it's up to you to decide. I'll just present you the facts. So as I said, the objective of this program is to make sure that you all stay on track and keep focus. So because often when we start our project or when we start a preparation, we always start on a high and we do good initially for the first few days or few weeks. But as time progresses, we often get deviated, or maybe our preparation gets diluted, and there can be n number of reasons for that. So let me not just elaborate on that, but keeping these negatives in mind, keeping these kind of issues in mind, we have devised this ICP program with compliance reports. And after 1 week of study, we have found out the following facts. So as you can see on the screen, we have separate columns for the time allotted for sleep, time allotted for study, number of multiple choice questions practiced, number of hours for exercise. It can include either walking, meditation, or any physical exercise. And also have a separate column on number of hours for smartphone uses. And finally, number of hours for miscellaneous activities. It can be idle time or roaming, eating, television, or talking with your friends. It can be any other activity. And finally, you have notes. So this is to make sure that you keep track on your time so that you can know where to cut down and where to add up depending upon the situation. So we have presented these reports to our students, and here are the results. As you can see, they have neatly filled up various columns, and they have sent me the report by weekend. I've asked them to start filling them from the weekdays, that is from Monday. And by the end of weekend, they submitted me the following reports, and you can clearly see how they have put track on their time. So more or less, one is sure like how the time is being spent on a particular day. So likewise, you can have weekly analysis, monthly analysis, and you'll clearly know how and where your time is all going, whether it's going for smartphone uses or whether you need to cut down the amount of hours on other miscellaneous activities, or whether you need to improve your time for study. So you will have clearly a lot of ideas on how to modify your day and improvise as time progresses. And the most important thing here is it's not just filling up the reports. Once you fill up the report, you'll be mailing me at the end of the week. So you'll be starting from Monday and you'll be mailing me around Saturday or Sunday. So I'll be going through the report and I'll be giving you online counseling according to the report, and you can improvise accordingly. So this is how we have planned for last 1 week, and this is the feedback we got from our students. One of the students says, this concept is good. I can actually understand where I lag behind, because when I make a timetable, it may work or it may not work. In fact, I never made a track on how many hours I studied, but started day with good timetable, which mostly I couldn't finish up by the end of the day as execution was difficult. So most of us have this problem. We start with good intention, but somehow we lose the track. But this is good. I'll try work better. So this is one feedback which we got from one of our students. And another student says, good afternoon, sir. 2 weeks ago, I was not able to concentrate on my study, so I took break. From last Tuesday, I tried to start my study and take periodic breaks. Hopefully, it seems better now. Thank you, sir, for guiding us. And another student says, this is quite interesting. I bought a mini clock to further get an accurate detail about the time spent on various activities. It's very helpful, sir, noting down daily time spent. You might wonder, like it might take more time for you to fill in the reports. It takes hardly 5 to 10 minutes, believe me. All you have to do is fill up these reports before you go to bed. It takes hardly 5 or 10 minutes because you know what has happened throughout the day. It will be fresh in your memory. It takes not more than 10 to 15 minutes maximum, right? And another student says, yes sir, it's very much helpful to keep track on our preparation. And finally, one more student says, thank you very much for always implementing these new ideas to make our preparation more enjoyable and easier. You're actually doing a great job, sir. I'll make maximum use of ICP program and use the weekly counseling as an opportunity to improve my preparation. I'm very glad to see these kind of messages, because this is our objective, to make sure that you improvise as time progresses and keep on track, and to make your preparation more enjoyable and fun. So once you know how your prep is going on, where your time is going on, you'll definitely have a command over your entire preparation. You'll have that sense of satisfaction. You'll feel like, yes, you are in control of your time and day, and you'll definitely improvise, right? So this is the result of our pilot study of ICP program, and these are the results. Now you can decide whether it is good or bad, right? I hope it's clear, and I hope you will make maximum use of our ICP program. Wish you all the best. Love you all.